Hello friends, we made this stunning and modern website in the last video while we reviewed the Fear WordPress theme. And you can watch the specific video if you are targeting a website for online flower store or florist website. Right? So you might be aware about the ordering process comes with the WooCommerce. So this website is of course using the WooCommerce. We are talking about WordPress and advanced features at the WordPress on this channel. So this is the product page, product listing page, and if we talk about the order page, the standard ordering process comes here when you are going to add a product in a cart, and there might be different layout. So this one is very good, so we can go to the checkout, and here we put the customer, the buyer puts the details like billing details, the email id, and the with the email id account can be created and all. So this is a standard procedure of e-commerce ordering, and you are very well aware about this. And every standard website, every modern website, full feature website uses this feature for ordering process, right? But when we talk about the email address, like here is the email address through which the order will be processed, the order details will be sent on this email id, the account will be created if it is allowed, an account will be created with this email id and all. But when the customer, the buyer is putting his her email id, it is not being verified at this instance, and by mistake or intentionally the email id can be placed wrong here. So this is not going to be good for future aspects of any e-commerce website. So what we are targeting in this video, how to verify email addresses during the checkout process or even the account creation steps. So I got a very wonderful to the point solution here at woocommerce.com. You can buy this solution through the video description link at woocommerce.com, and pricing are as such. So you can go for pricing and all details through the link, right? So the solution is customer email verification for WooCommerce. It is a straightforward solutions to verify customer email IDs, and it is a very important step. And this plugin, which is very easy to use and configure, brings all the advanced and standard settings, advanced as well as standard, right? Settings through which you can really configure the things to verify the email or email address, and you can grab the correct email address in the registration and the checkout process at your WooCommerce store. Like this can be the layout, so you can see the layout, enter OTP. So the sign up verification can be done, the checkout verification, login authentication, the customizable verification experience are also here. So when a user register on your WooCommerce store, they must verify their email before their account is created. As soon as they complete the sign up form, an automated verification email with unique OTP, one time password, is sent to their inbox, and a verification pop-up appears on the registration page promoting users to enter the OTP. So this is a simple process, but it is a very necessary process which is somehow lacking in the core WordPress or WooCommerce setup. So you can add this feature simply using by this plugin. So checkout verification can be there, like this is the checkout verification screen, login authentication screen, like new sign in the Chrome or for Windows, for example, and the login can be done verified through the email ID. So the customization options are also very advanced and to the point. So you can go with this plugin to enhance the data collection feature, the correct data, or avoid the spam or incorrect emails at your WooCommerce store. Now, let us come back, and this is the backend of this plugin installation. So I have already installed the plugin. So what this settings offer? So this is here, and under WooCommerce, here the link can be find email verification after installing the plugin. So the email verification settings offers, we can simply enable the sign up verification, we can enable the e checkout verification, and The checkout verification type can be set like inline or the pop-up. So pop-up is great. And look, I just shown you. Enable the email verification on the cart page as well. And you can even disable the WooCommerce Store API checkout. In the general setting, you can select OTP length like 4 digit or 6 digit. So OTP expiration can be set here. So you can check the details. Like if you want to expire, the OTP should remain valid only up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so. So it can be configured here. So it is a very good setting again. And you again set to the 10 minutes. And so after 10 minutes, the OTP will expire. So it is in general trend of verification process. Like next setting is verification email resent limit. Like you can set email resent to one attempt only. So or three attempts, or you can even completely disable the resent. So there will be no resent. And the resent limit message is too many attempts can be set here. So you can it can be changed as well. Like next is the email verification success message. Your email is verified. And one setting that I really liked and which is not enabled by default. So you can enable a login authentication system at your website. So you enable login authentication. What it means? It requires OTP verification for unrecognized login. Like if the user is logging on a new device, user is logging from a new location, and the last login was done before 15 or 30 or 60 days. So this is a very good setting, and it also enhance the security and the reliability of users at your store. So this is also a very good process. You can even enable this setting. Now, if we talk about the customize options, so this is really great again. Also use screens where how you can customize the OTP screen and all. So this is the layout, and this is the layout where and the email will be shown. I mean, you can configure the design, of course. So this is designing options. You can change the overlay background colors, the widget background colors, the content width, and the content padding. So that you can change this image as well, the email width and all the settings. So the OTP screen is like looking like this. So that is completely configurable, and you can set the pop-up style. The email style can be set here, and you can change the colors and designs and all. So it is again very simple, and you can see you can do it all at your own. Unverified users can be seen here, just in case if user drops the verification. So unverified users can be handled from this screen. So I feel this is a very important feature at any WooCommerce website. In fact, any e-commerce website. Yes, that should be there. And in email verification process is a necessary function. And I strongly believe it should be in the core feature of WooCommerce. Somehow it is not here, but yes, you can avail this additional feature at woocommerce.com plugin. So the plugin name is Customer Email Verification for WooCommerce. So simply follow the video description link if you have any question, if you need any support. So we are going to help you in every manner. Just write in the comment section or join us on the iCreate program live chat. All links in the description. But yes, you have to enable advanced feature at your WooCommerce website so that you may run your store smoothly, you can achieve your business goal smoothly, and you can create wonderful websites using the theme, plugins, and the how-to guides available on this channel. Let us meet in the next video. I'm coming with more features for your dream website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.